Hey folks, it's a quickie. Carrie, Linda, are you happy? Here's all the MC4 connectors. Yeah, I got a bunch of them, so I've got a lot, a lot of extra. I want to make sure I had them. And they send you, other things that you can purchase along with, batteries, etc. So I like this place. Here they are. So that'll connect the solar panels from the outside, and then I'll bring them in the bus. Alright, I hope everybody's having a great day. I know I am. It's been pouring. Hold on a second. Here we are. So, September 1st, we're pouring. Nobody's really out right now. It may stop later, I don't know. The weather is saying that Kate, a new tropical depression or storm is out there. So we'll see. Whoa, I don't want to get in the rain too much, so the phone doesn't get wet. But yep, this is us. Even the pool is over, almost over. You see it? Over the concrete. Cool. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Let you know if it starts winding down. See ya!